Good morning, it's Mara Allard of Wind, Water, and Wisdom, and it's Friday, so it's BioGeometry Friday. And I wanted to quickly talk about I had the privilege and honor to be on a Zoom call this week with Dr. Ibrahim Karim, who is the founder of BioGeometry that was founded in 1968 in Egypt. He was having a 1 hour book discussion. There are two things that I took away. There was lots I took away, but two that I wanted to talk about. One is he stated spiritual development is excellence of action. I wrote it down. Spiritual development is excellence of action. I've never heard it phrased that way. It's really, I love that so much, is that you can meditate, you can do all these things, but your excellence of action is true spiritual development. So as you go through the day, look at your actions. Are they of excellence? And I'm sure most of them are not, because we're human beings. But how do you strive towards that? How do you strive towards excellence in your actions every day? At least I'm more aware of it now. So I love that. And it's simple in its own way and difficult in its own way, because being excellent in our actions, every action all day, is a difficult task, but a beautiful task if that is what we're striving for. Second, he said, children being born in this day and age, 2023, they will develop much like or look much like AI, artificial intelligence, just because of such advanced technology that they'll be growing up in and being around their whole life. So that their world will look nothing like our world or my world does right now. So I thought that was really interesting as well. So those are two things that I took away. I took away a lot, but those are the two most profound things that for me I took away. And then for biogeometry this week, I'm going to talk about two tools that are available to the public that you can use to improve your energy, your positive energy, your wavelength. And one is in your environment and one is on you. They both you'll both benefit from both of them. But here we go. And I actually, so my wavelength might be higher because I'm in a room that I have done a lot of biogeometry on, and I have tools in this room, but here's my personal wavelength right now. And again, I'm not moving my hand. Okay, it's good. Now, if I put this cube in front of me, now this cube is available to the public. It can be taken anywhere. You can put this in your bedroom. You can put this in your office. You can put this in your car when you travel. I bring it to hotel rooms. It can go anywhere. It will, when it's placed in the room or anywhere, the car, it will dampen down the EMFs. It will raise the vibration of those EMFs. It will transmute them and raise the vibration to a positive vibration, which will have a positive effect on your subtle energy. So now, with this cube in my presence, let's see what my wavelength is. Definitely stronger. So that raised my own energetic vibration by being just in the presence of it. The cubes are available to the public. You need to clear them once a day for 1 minute. You just put them on a little stand and then take them off after a minute or whatever, and it doesn't get any stronger or better if you leave it on for an hour. The other thing that I have that I wear all the time is this ring, and it has some of the bio signatures on it. So when I put this ring on and I test my personal wavelength, like the cube, it's definitely strengthening me significantly. This actually is strengthening me more than the cube, probably because it's on my body. If I take my ring off and I test my personal wavelength of energy, it's not as strong. Also, the ring also goes on that little clearing tray once a day and for a minute, and it's all good. So that's my tips for this week and my insight, and I hope you have a great weekend.